check in. Let's check in with what people are asking on social media. Yo-Yo and Vanessa.
Ogadel on YouTube. What is going to happen to non-felons currently in the deportation process if Biden's immigration bill passes?
Most likely you would be spared depending on what your criminal records are, because they're going to say you are going to be eligible to have 2 petty offenses, which are mostly misdemeanors. So assuming you have 2 petty offenses, then that would not make you a deportable alien.
Tariq Khan on YouTube. If my asylum case is currently pending in court, am I eligible for Biden's amnesty?
Yes, as it's currently written.
Okay, O. Larkin, this is sent in as an email in regards to Biden's new bill that may or not pass. What does it say about people already placed in deportation, but with no felonies? Every lawyer is talking about DACA and amnesty, but I haven't heard anything regarding what will happen to people who were placed in deportation under the Trump administration.
You'd be eligible for the amnesty.
Denise Malcolm on Instagram. If both my children are here in the U.S. on expired visas, can I file for them?
Yes.
Sam Adiadir on YouTube. Is there any specific mention of waivers for false claims in Biden's proposed immigration bill?
False claims to U.S. citizenship, there is no waivers for that, and nothing new.
Betty Lee Gordon on YouTube. Will the F2A category be included in the immediate relatives category under the Biden administration?
As it is written, yes, but we got to see if it passes.
Ann Rose on Facebook. Is it a problem if I filed the I-485 but I did not submit joint taxes with my husband?
It's a problem if you were married during the time that you were not filing joint tax returns, because if you're not filing a joint tax return, you're showing you don't have a joint economic relationship. You're not responsible for the debts of the marriage, and as a result, that would indicate to immigration that it's not a bona fide marriage.
Atif Yusuf on YouTube. Me and my family are being tortured and abused. Can I apply for a humanitarian parole? My sister is in the U.S. ready to sponsor me.
I mean, you could always try, but I doubt you would have to apply for some sort of refugee status. That's what I would be doing.
Edward Nihal on YouTube. What happens to me if I overstayed on my visitor's visa?
You're undocumented.
Kayla Drake's on Facebook. How can I become a permanent resident in the U.S.?
By magic. Magic. Yo-Yo.
Sandra Leslie on Facebook.
I mean, it's like a book that's 5,000 pages long on how to become a permanent resident.
Yes.
Okay. Need a little more information on that one. So magic. Cool. Right now.
Sandra Leslie on Facebook. If I visit my U.S. citizen boyfriend in America and we marry within 90 days, can I stay?
Your permanent resident boyfriend and you marry within 90 days, you committed a misrepresentation.
U.S. citizen boyfriend.
You still committed a misrepresentation. You can't come for visiting for purposes of marrying. If you get married after 90 days, you did not come to visit for purposes of marrying. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.